Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams, your go-to channel for simplifying crypto and DeFi strategies to help you achieve financial independence. Today, we're tackling one of the most misunderstood concepts in decentralized finance: impermanent loss. What is it? How does it affect liquidity providers? Most importantly, how can you avoid it? Stay tuned as we break down impermanent loss in simple terms and share actionable strategies to minimize your risks while maximizing your DeFi earnings. Check the description below for links to helpful tools. Let's dive in. Part 1. What is impermanent loss? Impermanent loss happens when the price of tokens you've deposited into a liquidity pool changes compared to when you deposited them. This price fluctuation can lead to lower returns compared to simply holding the tokens in your wallet. Here's how it works. When you provide liquidity in DeFi, you typically deposit tokens into a pool in a 50-50 ratio, like ETH and USDC. If one token increases in price significantly compared to the other, the pool's algorithm automatically rebalances your tokens to maintain the 50-50 ratio. This rebalancing can lead to a loss in value compared to simply holding your tokens outside the pool. Key takeaway: the loss is called impermanent because it only becomes permanent when you withdraw your funds from the pool. All prices are still imbalanced. Part 2. Why does impermanent loss happen? Impermanent loss occurs due to the constant product formula used by automated market makers like Uniswap or SushiSwap. This formula ensures liquidity in the pool, but rebalances the token amounts based on price changes. For example, imagine you deposit 1 ETH and 1,500 USDC into a liquidity pool when ETH is worth $1,500. If ETH increases to $2,000, the pool adjusts the ratio of tokens to reflect the new price. When you withdraw, you may end up with less ETH and more USDC, and the total value of your holdings might be less than if you had simply held 1 ETH and 1,500 USDC. Part 3. How to avoid or minimize impermanent loss. Impermanent loss can't be completely eliminated, but you can minimize its impact by following these 5 strategies. 1. Choose stablecoin pools. Pools with stable coins, like USDT, USDC, experience minimal price fluctuations, significantly reducing impermanent loss. Example: depositing into a USDT, USDC pool on platforms like Curve Finance. 2. Focus on low volatility pairs. Liquidity pools with tokens that move together in price, such as ETH and WBTC, have less impermanent loss. 3. Leverage yield farming rewards. Many platforms offer rewards in their native tokens to offset impermanent loss. For instance, SushiSwap or PancakeSwap provides liquidity incentives. 4. Monitor market conditions. Use tools like TradingView for technical analysis to predict potential price volatility before providing liquidity. 5. Advanced strategies. Hedge your risk using options or perpetual futures on platforms like Bybit to protect against impermanent loss during volatile market conditions. Part 4. Tools to manage and mitigate impermanent loss. DeFi is complicated, but the right tools can help you make smarter decisions and minimize risks. Glassnode. Track DeFi metrics and on-chain data to monitor token performance and liquidity trends. CoinStats. Manage your portfolio and monitor liquidity pool performance in real time. 3. Automate trading bots to hedge against price volatility that can lead to impermanent loss. Safepal or Ellipal wallets. Secure your assets while participating in DeFi pools. Part 5. Tax implications for liquidity providers. Providing liquidity in DeFi can have tax consequences. Tools like these can help you track and report your transactions. Koinly automatically integrates with your DeFi wallets and calculates taxes. TokenTax tracks liquidity pool activity and ensures accurate tax reporting. Ledger comprehensive support for DeFi and NFT-related transactions, making tax season stress-free. Impermanent loss may sound intimidating, but with the right knowledge and tools, you can confidently navigate DeFi and minimize your risk. Remember to stick to stablecoin pools or low volatility pairs, leverage rewards to offset losses, and always keep an eye on market conditions. If you found this video helpful, check the description below for links to helpful tools. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more DeFi strategies.